The simple present is used to indicate repeated actions or events, general facts, and planned events. It is not used for what is happening right now at this moment. First, use the simple present for repeated actions and events. They are habits, routines, things happening on a regular basis, actions and events that are repeated. For example, he rides his Pegasus to school every day. It happens every day. It is repeated every day. We play games together on weekends. It is repeated on weekends. I eat sushi-flavored cereal for breakfast and sometimes for lunch. It is a routine. It is done every day, very often for breakfast and on occasion for lunch. Second, general facts and scientific facts, truths and generalizations. For example, if we say water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, it is a scientific fact. Zombies eat brains is a generalization because they also eat other parts. It snows in December is a general truth. On most December days it does, and on some it doesn't. Third, planned events, like a schedule, a timetable, or a fixed event. For instance, the train for Hogwarts leaves at 11 o'clock tomorrow. So the schedule is set and the train leaves at that time tomorrow. Your ninja training begins next week. It is an established timetable. To sum up, this simple present is used for repeated actions and events, facts and generalizations, and planned events.